Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your new chapter number 8, even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. First I am going to discuss even number, and after that I will explain what is odd number. First we will learn the definition, and after that we will learn how to check whether the given number is even or odd. See, first one I have written even number. What is even number? A number which is completely divisible by 2. A number which is completely divisible by 2 is called even number. Example 2, 4, 6, 8 and many numbers which are divisible by 2, that is called even number. Or in another way we can say that a number is said to be even number. A number is said to be even number if the number in the unit place. A number is said to be even number if the number in the unit place is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Out of these 5 numbers, if any number is at the unit place, that number is called even number. Now you can easily understand the even number. Now I am going to take few examples. Okay children, now I have written some number and you have to check whether these number are even number or odd number. So to check whether the given number is even or odd, what we have to do? We have to check the number at the unit place. This is called unit place. This is called tens place. This is called hundred place. But we have to check only number at the unit place. If the number at the unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, out of these 5 number, if there is any number 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that number is called even number. Now see question number 1. First number. The number in the unit place is what? 6. So this is even number. This is what? Even number. Now again see the second number. Second number. The number in the unit place is what? 2. So this is also a even number. Now see the third number. The number in the unit place. This is called unit place. Ones, or you can say that ones place. Unit place is also called ones place. The number in the unit place is 0. So this is also called even number. Now see here. The number in the unit place is what? 3. So this is not a even number. This is odd number. If the number ends with 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, that number is called odd number. That number is called odd number. It means that this number is odd number. Now see the next number. Next number is what? 824. And the number in the unit place is what? 4. So this is called what? Even number. Now see the last number. Last number is what? 516. And the number in the unit place is what? 6. So this is also a even number. Now I am going to explain the definition of odd number. Okay, now children, we will learn the definition of odd number. What is odd number? A number which is not divisible by 2. A number which is not divisible by 2 is called odd number. Example is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This number is not divisible by 2. That is why these numbers are called odd number. Or in another way we can say that a number is said to be odd number. A number is said to be odd number if the number in the unit place, that is ones place. Unit place means what? Ones place. If the number in the unit place is 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9. Out of these 5 number, if there is any number at the unit place, that number is called odd number. Now I am going to take few examples, and with the help of that we can easily understand what is odd number. Okay children, now see, I have written some number and you have to check whether the given number is even or odd. So, to check whether the given number is even, if the number ends with 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, that number is called even number. And if the number ends with 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, that number is called odd number. Now see here, first number is 286. See the number in the unit place, that is ones place. This is ones place, and only you have to check the number at the ones place. If the number at the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that number is called even number. And if the number at the ones place or unit place is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, that number is called what? Odd number. Now see first number. In ones place which number is 6? So this is called even number. This is what? Even number. I am writing in short. E means even number. Now see, the number in the unit place is what? 5. So this is called odd number. This is called odd number. Odd number, and this is what? Even number. Now see again, third one. The number in the unit place is what? 6. 6 is where? In even number. So this is called even number. See, now fourth one. The number in the ones place or unit place is 5. So this is called what? Odd number. Why? Because it is in odd number. Hope you all have understood the concept of even number as well as odd number. Your homework will be posted in the WhatsApp group. Watch the video and understand the concept of odd number as well as even number. Thank you.